Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and I have a new product on these printers going down. This one here is going to take 10 hours 14, 10 hours and 5. Over there we got 10 hours 26, 10 hours 25 and 10 hours and 5. What do you think it is? Can you tell by looking at it? They've all just started. All up it's going to take about 66 hours all up for one product. It's 3 lanes and it fits a little orange track, and it's in the shape of a 180. Yeah, you guessed it right, it's a 3-lane 180 curve. This is for an Aussie racing channel, and he's about to do something. I'm not too sure what he's doing, but he's requested a 3-lane curve. So I'll leave the details down below. You can go check him out, but he's Aussie Diecast Racing. It's Macey. He's one of Australia's top racing channels. Please check him out. He's got some fantastic videos. He's a great commentator and a great guy. And this will be on his new track. I'm not too sure when. First of all, we've got to get through this. 66 hours all up. Well, it's 10 hours per machine, but you know what I mean. So hopefully around about 2 o'clock in the morning for me, I'll have most of it done. And then I'll put the last one on 2 o'clock in the morning. And hopefully this will be done and dusted and on the way to him by early next week. But there you go. To design this has taken me 2 days to design this big 3-laner. It's not an easy thing to design, even though I've done lots of them. But there's a lot that goes into these things. You just don't slap it into Fusion 360 and hope that it comes out. And the design on this I'm really happy with. It looks great on Fusion 360. I'll just insert the Fusion 360 image that you can see, and yeah, it looks great, doesn't it? And so hopefully these prints come out and the product is very, very clean, and the cars can just zip around this 180. So there you go. There's our first 3-laner. I did make a 4-lane track, which I haven't got here. Actually, I gave it away to NZ Racing, and I've had a lot of requests for 4 lanes, but to be honest, it takes so long and it would be very costly. Even this 3-lane 180, it's not cheap. But I will make this available for sale, so if you do want one, it'll be up on my Etsy store next week. So yeah, alrighty, this new product, when this is completed over the weekend, excuse me, I'll come back with another video. Sorry for the mess everywhere. It is a working studio, and it is just how it is. So long as the beds are clean and all the tables are clean, it doesn't matter. But there we go, we've got the 5 printers going non-stop. Right, catch you later.